That JoJo.
What up? Scarface F-Set. Again. Trying to power through these cards I got from Target. It's kind of cheap, so kind of caught my attention. So we'll start with this one.
Grant Hill, though. What?
Yep. Let's see what we got here. Comes with 4 packs and a box. So got Fleer SP Authentic, and I think this is the college cards for the pickup or the come up, whatever you want to call it. Can't really see it, but it is Voshon Leonard.
Voshon Leonard?
So it's a pretty clean card. Alright.
See this already.
Alright. Carmelo Anthony.
Oh, for your PC? Yes.
Hey, go downstairs, see what. Just see it in a little bit.
What? Hold on.
Totally heard that.
You heard that?
Miami Heat. Just trying to power through these so I can fit it all in one video. Just to kind of see. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Oh, sorry. AC Green, there you go. That's not bad. That's from my PC. Dominique Wilkins. Vernon Maxwell. Mike Brown.
Mike Brown?
Mike Brown played?
It's Mike Brown?
No, I think it's some different. Ooh, look at that.
Nice.
Horace Grant. You can actually feel the texture. That's very nice. I like that. Greg Oden. Poor guy, man.
Oh man, he was a good too.
He was good. Ooh, Candace Parker. My first
Who is it?
NBA player. Candace Parker.
Candace?
Yeah, in Tennessee. On a Tennessee jersey.
What? They had WNBA players there?
Ooh, look at that. My first number card.
Who's that?
Reflector. Maurice Spates, 247 out of
Nice.
250. Dang. So I'll cherish that because this is my first numbered card. That's pretty awesome. Who's this? Sonny Williams and Brooke Lopez from Stanford.
Nice.
That was pretty nice. That's my first one. I'm excited. Oh yeah, happy Mother's Day to anybody, to everybody. Okay. Walker, you got this card. Oh, Arenas. Fleer. I guess we're trading next week, huh?
I don't know.
Sebastian Telfair. Ooh, look at that. Brandon Roy. Carmelo Anthony.
Carmelo. PC.
Mario Chalmers. Alonzo Mourning. And Mr. Rasheed.
Didn't I get Carmelo too? I don't know.
CJ Watson, Tony Parker, Al Harrington, Richard Hamilton, Zach Chris, Marvin, and Rudy Fernandez.
Oh, Rudy Fernandez.
And this one, I think I'll just break it from the middle. There we go. That was much easier. Alright.
I can get one of more.
I got Legends. Ooh, more Fleer. Awesome.
Tops.
Oh, I like that. Let's see which
might go back
one
for the
I want.
other one.
First edition. Alright.
First edition. Luxury box.
Should have got this one, Jay.
Should have, dude.
Never mind, you should never got this one. These are old. Dust collectors. Just kidding. Tops box. I don't know, it was cheap. How much did we buy that one? 12 bucks. So it's not bad. Got a numbered card from it. Not really. Oh, I saw the last one. Jason Richardson. Oh, what?
Nice.
My first pull, dude.
Signature.
Who is it?
And jersey, Maurice Ager.
Oh, it's a.
It's numbered 132 to 139.
Let me see it.
Dude,
Damn.
Nice.
you just
nice.
received authentic
What team is he from?
autograph relic
The
card.
Mavericks, I think.
What? That's. I mean, I know I got my Danish one, but this is my first signature and first jersey. That's pretty cool, man. For 12 bucks. Hella worth it.
Who's that?
Rip.
Oh.
Oh, thank you.
Who's that? Oh, Kobe.
Oh, Kobe.
Kobe.
Damn.
That's a good pull.
What was that one? This thing?
No, I don't know, the black one. Luol Deng, Yao Ming, Rick Austin. Ooh, I don't even know who you are. Roy Hibbert. StarQuest, Greg Oden. Nate Robinson. Cool.
Hold on.
Oh god. Where's the scissors?
Right next to you.
Okay. I always see it on YouTube, like, why do you guys open it with your scissors? It looks so easy. It's not. Mike Sanders. Ooh. Larry Drew. Trying to power through, guys. Trying to power through. This is my Topps 2008. This is first edition. Mike Dunleavy, David Lee, Sean Livingston, Darren Williams, Dwight Howard, Charlie Villanueva, Tim Duncan, Stephon Marbury, checklist, Sean Williams, Carmelo Anthony,
Ooh,
and Yao Ming.
I should just
Got a lot of cards waiting for you, buddy.
pick up.
This is my legend. It says here 7 distinct autographs. So I don't know what that means. I don't believe it. I don't believe that all these cards are autographed. So
Oh, no. Is it? No.
no, that's not bad. James Worthy, Brandon Wright. Huh? That's not bad. Pretty nice cards. All right, 4 more, guys. Power
Those are
through.
nice one.
Okay, nice. Gilbert Arenas, Josh Smith, Carmelo, and Allen Iverson, Russell Westbrook rookie card, Fleer. Ben Wallace, Jamal Tinsley, Daniel Gibson, NBA rookie, Maurice Spates. Grant Hill. There you go, buddy. I got something for you now. Hell yes. And Kobe Bryant. Yeah.
Kobe.
Not bad.
That clear. That clear.
Got clear, buddy.
David Lee, Joakim Noah, Thaddeus, Luther Head, Michael Finley, Corey Brewer, Mike Miller. Not bad. Last pack. Elton Brand, Keith Bogans, James Posey, Antonio Daniels, Julian Wright, Nene, Bobby Brown, and Kevin Love. Alright guys, so if you guys see anything you like from this pack, let me know. I'm trading and for sale. So hit me up. Happy Mother's Day. Peace out.